closest payphone I could get to was at the Brooksville Country Club. It was a real WASP stronghold, just a mile down the road from my house. Hey, Bo, what's up? What's me? What's going on? I'm at the payphone. What's going on?
Listen to me carefully. Please, your little friend there, Brad, your little buddy, he's in jail.
What the fuck's he in jail for? What'd he do?
I don't know what he did. My friends in Long Island told me he got picked up in some fucking shopping mall. He got locked up.
Wait. Did you say a shopping mall?
Yeah.
He was with Donnie. He was supposed to deliver some money to that fucking fat piece of shit. I'm gonna go fucking talk to him right now.
Listen to me. Don't go. Listen to me. That guy Denham, that FBI agent guy, somebody told me he's got your phones tapped, your office, and your home. Don't talk on the motherfucking phone.
Okay, fuck. I got it.
Jordan. You didn't try to bribe this fucking FBI agent, did you?
No, I didn't try to bribe an FBI agent. You think I'm that fucking stupid? No.
What the fuck are you saying? I can't understand. Say that again.
I said, I'm an FBI agent.
What the fuck are you saying?
I'm sick.
Are you fucking high?
I can't move. I know it's an FBI.
Jordan, are you fucking high? Jordan, do me a favor. Stay where you are. Don't get behind the wheel of the car. I'm gonna send someone over to pick you up. Jordan.
After 15 years in storage, the Lemons had developed a delayed fuse. It took 90 minutes for these little fuckers to kick in, but once they did, pow! I mean, I had skipped the tingle phase and went straight to the drool phase. These little bastards were so strong, I discovered a whole new phase. The cerebral palsy phase. Come on, stand up. Okay, walking's out. Alright, think. What else is there? Yes, I can crawl. I can crawl like Skylar. Fuck! That kid makes it look so goddamn easy. Think, you motherfucker, think. Yes! I got it. I've got it. I can roll. I can roll!
Jordan? Oh, Jesus, where are you? What? I don't know what the fuck you're saying. Look, you need to get home. Donnie is out of control. He's on the other line with some Swiss guy. I don't know.
Get him off the phone!
I can't understand you.
Get him off the
I don't know what the fuck
phone!
you're saying, Jordan. Can you just get home?
A
Hurry.
minute!